Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming account basics because the code flow checks identity early. Sign in, verify your email or phone, and make sure the Quiz Panda app is updated. Outdated apps block the Redeem UI. Once done, enable notifications and location if the app requests them, since those permissions often reveal regional offers. Now open the Rewards or Wallet tab and tap the Redeem or Collect button. This is the first actionable step toward receiving your redeem code. Next, focus on the actual earning mechanics because the code is gated behind specific tasks. Complete the qualifying quizzes, daily challenges, or missions listed in Rewards. These record progress toward the redeem threshold. Make sure to watch mandatory short videos and accept point grants when they appear, since unclaimed rewards won't count. Once your points reach the required level, claim any interim prizes, because unlocking those often triggers generation of the final redeem code in the wallet. Finally, generate and use the code to complete redemption. Go to your wallet or rewards area, tap Generate Redeem Code, then Copy Code. Paste it into the game or store redeem field right away because codes may expire. If the code fails, make sure to restart the app, clear cache, and log out, then back in these steps refresh entitlement flags. If problems persist, check for pending verification or contact support with your account ID and a screenshot for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.